Welcome to Acme's Software Works, where the craft of software engineering is practiced. In this video we will be exploring the bubble sort algorithm. The bubble sort algorithm sorts an array by traversing the unsorted portion of the array and comparing adjacent elements and putting them in order, and repeating this process until the array is fully sorted. The implementation of the bubble sort algorithm contains two loops: an outer loop that keeps track of how much of the array has been sorted and an inner loop which traverses the unsorted portion. The inner loop begins at the first element of the array and compares it to the next element, and if the first element is larger it swaps the two elements, putting them in sort. This process is repeated for each of the following elements until it reaches the end of the unsorted portion of the array. Note that the number of swaps are counted, and if the inner loop traverses the entire array with no swaps, the remainder of the array is sorted.
Now let's watch as this unfolds. We start with the sorted value of 0, meaning the first pass of the inner loop through the unsorted portion of the array will end at the second to the last element, where that and the last element will be compared. When we finish the first pass, the last element of the array will be in sort, and with each successive pass one more will be in sort. We now will start at the first element, the 98, and compare it to the next element, the 35, and because 98 is greater we will swap the elements, first by storing the 98 in the temp variable, then placing the 35 in the first element, and finally the temp variable is placed in the second location. The swap count is then increment. This process is repeated until we reach the end of the unsorted portion and we return the first element and start the process over, this time ending at the third to the last element. This is then repeated until all elements are in sort.
Note: sorted elements are blue, unsorted elements are red. The search index element is cyan and the search +1, which it's tested against, is yellow.
The bubble sort's best case big O is n and its average is n squared.
Now let's speed it up and watch is finish. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.